Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your Windows Internet based connections but your Wi-Fi connections works. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo nang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. So all in small letters, and then yung /DNS ay one word po yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin itong i-press yung enter. Ayan. So makikita mo dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver caching. And then next step na kailangan natin i-enter yung command keyword na NATSH space OneSock space reset. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space OneSock space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So successfully reset the OneSock catalog, and then kailangan lang natin dito mag-restart. So close lang natin dito. And then next step ay dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang to restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix internet connections not working but Wi-Fi works on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.